This report was created through extensive research and was made available on our platform. This report is meant for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon for treatment or diagnosis. We do not make any warranties, express or implied, and assume no liability for the use of this information. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Artificial lung devices, also referred to as extracorporeal membrane oxygenation or ECMO systems or extracorporeal gas exchange devices, are critical components in life support technologies for patients undergoing cardiopulmonary bypass during open heart surgery or those with acute respiratory or cardiac failure. These devices temporarily replace lung function by oxygenating and removing carbon dioxide from the blood. Devices approved by the FDA US and EMA Europe are indicated for short-term use in surgical or critical care settings, including cardiac surgery, severe ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, or bridging to lung transplantation. The global ECMO artificial lung market is valued at approximately $700 million to $800 million in 2024, with a CAGR of more than 5.5%, driven by increasing prevalence of cardiopulmonary diseases, expanded ECMO use during pandemics such as COVID-19, and increasing surgical complexity in pediatric and adult cardiac procedures. Note that there are many other indications where ECMO can be used, and the ones mentioned here are not exhaustive. Top 3 niche players and device value propositions. 1. Maquet Cardiopulmonary GmbH, part of the Getinge Group with headquarters in Germany and Sweden. Device: CardioHelp system. Regulatory status: FDA cleared, CE marked. Value proposition: a compact, portable ECMO system with integrated gas exchange and monitoring capabilities. The system's modular design allows for easy adaptation to changing clinical needs, and it offers high versatility for both intra- and inter-hospital transport. Advanced sensor-based monitoring and bubble detection algorithms ensure high safety and treatment efficacy. 2. Medtronic USA. Device: Affinity Fusion oxygenator with balanced biosurface. Regulatory status: FDA approved, CE marked. Value proposition: the Affinity Fusion oxygenator with balanced biosurface is designed for use during open heart surgery and cardiopulmonary bypass. It features an advanced biocompatible coating that reduces thrombogenicity and the need for anticoagulation. The integrated arterial filter removes air from the blood without trauma, further enhancing patient safety. 3. Xenios egg, part of Fresenius Medical Care based in Germany. Device: Novalung active. Regulatory status: CE marked by the EMA, in use across Europe. In the US, the device is still under investigation. Value proposition: the pumpless artificial lung is indicated for use as a bridge to lung transplant and is ideal for patients with acute respiratory distress syndrome ARDS. It enables lung protective ventilation strategies and has enabled spontaneous breathing in awake patients, a unique feature among niche products. Novel technology trends under regulatory consideration. Wearable and portable artificial lungs. The goal is to enable long-term support outside the intensive care unit, such as for patients with chronic lung failure or ambulatory patients. Notable R&D includes Pittsburgh's Paracorporeal Ambulatory Assist Lung Pal and the University of Michigan's MC3 Biolung. However, regulatory approval will require demonstrating durability, mitigating infection risks, ensuring thromboresistance, providing portable power and gas supply, etc. B. Biohybrid oxygenators and coatings. These incorporate surface technologies that mimic the endothelium to reduce thrombosis and incorporate nitric oxide-releasing materials or heparin-binding polymers. These are being evaluated in preclinical studies, and regulatory agencies are closely scrutinizing long-term hemocompatibility data. See integrated sensor-driven smart ECMO systems. These integrate sensors to enable real-time monitoring of gas exchange, clot formation and pressure gradients, using algorithms to predict complications and autonomously adjust flow, gas settings. To gain regulatory approval, these devices must demonstrate algorithm reliability, fail-safes, and robust cybersecurity, D3D printed and personalized oxygenators. These involve creating custom-made gas exchange membranes to fit pediatric patients or those with unique anatomic needs. However, regulatory approval for these personalized devices requires validating the reproducibility of the manufacturing process and the biocompatibility of the materials used. Strategic insights, *opportunity niche, pediatric applications, portable ECMO and bridge to transplant artificial lungs, *. Barrier to entry. ECMO is a well-established technology, and gaining regulatory approval requires extensive clinical validation data. Success also requires interdisciplinary expertise in engineering, biointerface science, and pulmonology. * Innovation leverage. Collaborations with academic institutions, VC funding in medtech incubators, and strategic FDA breakthrough device designation recommendations. * For new entrants, focus on differentiated coatings, portability, and AI-enabled monitoring. Early engagement with regulatory advisors, such as the FDA Q-Submission Program or the EMA Innovation Task Force, can be beneficial. Given the complexity of the technology, engaging with key opinion leaders KOLs in cardiothoracic surgery and critical care early is essential to drive clinical adoption. Although developing an ECMO system from scratch is challenging, strategic M&A or partnership with established players like Getinge or Xenios can help accelerate scale-up and market access. We hope this report is a valuable resource for you. If so, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please share your thoughts, feedback, and suggestions in the comments below. Your input helps us improve our reporting and provide more useful information to you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation.